All right, here we go. I got 1 week to get this car over to the sandblasters. So I'm just gonna start stripping it down. I'm gonna bag and tag everything so that when I go to reassemble, I know where everything is. Also, I'll probably be taking some notes so that I can order parts and I have that fresh in my mind and go ahead and pre-order that stuff so it's here when I'm ready to go. So I already pulled the bumper off, but I'm gonna put you in time lapse and go through the assembly of the rear of the vehicle. All right, I got both axles out of the way. The one on the driver's side was in there really bad. You can see on the hyperlapse, I was really fighting it, trying to get it out. It just was rusted in there, probably never been removed. Then I came over to this side and this one popped right out, so not too bad. I was recording over there, and as soon as I stopped recording and gave it one more shot, I was able to get it out, so never fails. But Now I'm going to clean up my mess I have going here, and then we're going to wheel the motor over here and slide her down in there and see how she fits and what we're going to have to trim if we have to. Alright, so I've been at it pretty hard. You can see I've got the interior completely stripped out here. Dash is out, windshield's out, seats, all the trim is out, the front's all done. And I'm in the process right now of setting up a rotisserie here in the garage so that I can get this thing mounted up and get it over to the sandblasters. So kind of, like I said, kind of got away from me. I was going pretty hard trying to get this ready to go, and didn't record me tearing apart the inside, but also didn't want to bother you with a bunch of time-lapse footage, so I just went at it just to get it ready to go. I think by today's Friday, I think by probably Monday I'd like to have this over at Sandblasters. So I'm going to get the rest of this frame out of the truck and get this thing mounted up on the rotisserie. So I'm guilty of working without filming. It happens sometimes. You kind of get in a groove and you forget to do any filming. So I'm working on mounting this rotisserie. Let me back up here so you can see this rotisserie up to the car. I had to weld some plates in here. So the back's done. I just gotta sort out the front. You can see welded that plate in there. Didn't weld to the body, but I'm using the bumper mounting holes to mount the frame. And then you can see how rusty, get on this side where there's some side, you see how rusty the shaft is on that jack for this rotisserie, the cylinder. So I bought this thing used, paid $1,000 for it, and turns out they're leaking, and I saw that, but it was local, it was quick and easy to grab, so I actually just ordered a couple cylinders from Amazon, Vivor brand, so they'll be here in a couple days, but in the meantime, I'm going to finish mounting up. Got to do the front here, going to cut some pieces and do some welding again and go right to that bumper mount again. So I got those plates cut up, drilled, and I got to make a few modifications. And then I think I'm just going to weld them right to the ends there. I'll have to taper that at an angle like that so that they can mount up correctly. So I'll put you on time lapse and then we'll do that. Or actually I'll just set you here and you can watch in real time. Should be good right there. Some gloves and get at it. Getting pretty tight in here right now. I've got so much stuff, but I've got some people that are coming to buy some stuff, some seats and the transmission and parts like that. So hopefully I can start clearing up some more room in here. So I had to cut a little bit off of, that plate so that it would fit up in there. And you can see what the old one was doing is it was so long as creating a gap in there, and then that's just going to distort the sheet metal. So with this cut down like that one, we should be able to put our bolts in there and be fine. So cut the other one, then I'll start fitting these plates to the arms right here and get them welded up and in. All right, here we go. She's mounted up on the rotisserie. Give her a spin. Now I can work on the bottom.